according to the law, the returning officer is required to appoint a polling constable per polling station. And ordinarily, since the Commission recognizes or is aware that the Uganda Police Force has the constitutional mandate to maintain law and order and fight crime in whatever environment, the Commission works closely the Uganda Police Force in requiring them to secure the electoral materials, to maintain law and order on polling day and throughout all other electoral activities. And therefore, our expectation is that at a polling station, members of the Uganda Police Force are in charge of the security at a polling station. However, when you look at Article 212 of the Constitution, which defines the functions of Uganda Police Force, I think it says in the performance or in the execution of their mandate, they have the liberty or the discretion to work with to call in other security agencies to lend support or to supplement their work of maintaining law and order. So the presence of military or UPDF personnel in an electoral process is the work of the Uganda Police Force, who have the liberty or the discretion to require or to request other agencies of the state who are in the security domain to lend them a hand. This should not be a problem in my view, because our security services are servants of the people of Uganda. And where there is a national process or activity, depending on the intelligence or other information they have pertaining to the security or the safety of the people and property involved in that process, it would therefore require any members of these security services to ensure that there is a tranquil, serene, stable environment that allows that activity to take place for the good of the people of Uganda. What is not allowed, however, and let me emphasize this, is any member of those security services or forces to overstep their mandate and appear to interfere or purport to take over whatever activities are taking place at a polling station. That is absolutely wrong and illegal. Members of security services or forces are not the managers of electoral processes. They are not managers of elections. This is the Electoral Commission. So any individual officer who oversteps his or her limits in law, the execution of his or her duties, should be dealt with in accordance with the law.